You are going to have a great time. Are ready? Let's go. An arcade is a place full of fun computer games. You can find video games and even VR games. People come here to play, compete, and have a great time. If your card balance is zero, first recharge it at the card kiosk. With this card, you can play any game you want. Now, you should swipe the card and then you can start playing. The shooting game is where you aim with a toy gun and try to hit moving targets. The more targets you hit, the more tickets you win. Every time you play a game, each machine gives you tickets. At the end, you can take your tickets to the souvenir shop or prize shop and exchange them for prizes. This is an arcade basketball game. The goal is to throw the ball into the hoop and score as many points as you can. What is the name of this game? Okay. Here you are. In the arcade bowling game, the goal is to roll the ball down the lane and knock down as many pins as possible. The more pins you knock down, the higher your score. In this game, you wear special glasses and get to experience a whole new world. You can look around, move your body, and even interact with the game. It's like you're really inside the game. VR games are super fun and make you feel like you're part of the action. In this game, two players face each other at a special smooth table. Each player holds a paddle. The goal is to hit a plastic puck into the opponent's goal. An arcade motorbike game is like a car racing game, but on two wheels. You ride, lean, and race just like in real life. Would you like to eat some popcorn? Let's go. There you go. You want to try this slushy? Which one do you like? Do you like cotton candy? An automatic cotton candy machine can make it in fun shapes and colors. First, you choose the shape, then pay with your card, and finally watch the magic happen. Wow, so cute. Very beautiful. And I think it's yummy. A claw machine is a game where you control a mechanical claw to grab toys or prizes. You have a short time to aim and grab. Try again, honey. Wow! Excellent! Good job! Excellent! Good job! Great! Okay, everybody!